Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I have queries regarding some words in English language.
Which are these words you are confused about?
Sir, I often get confused when I think of these three words alphabet, letter, and sound. Could you explain the first word alphabet?
Okay, see, actually, the word alphabet comes from the first two letters of Greek language, Greek alphabet. Because in Greek alphabet, there are so many letters like alpha. Alpha is the first letter from Greek language. Beta is the second letter in Greek alphabet. Okay. Then gamma is the third letter in Greek alphabet. Delta is the fourth letter, and this is how there are so many letters like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, eta, zeta, kappa, sigma, and etc. So, with the help of the first two letters from Greek alphabet, alpha and beta, the word is derived from first two letters of Greek alphabet. And this is how the word is made of alphabet. Okay. So, alphabet is a set of letters. Alphabet is a collection of letters. Alphabet is like a family. As in our family, we have 2, 3, or 4 members. In the same way, alphabet is like a family. For example, in English alphabet, we have 26 letters, 26 members from A to Z. Okay, so alphabet is a set of letters. Alphabet is a collection of letters. Alphabet is a combination of different kinds of members as we have in the family. So I hope that you understood what is meant by alphabet.
Thank you, sir. I understood the meaning of the word alphabet. Sir, please guide me about the second word letter.
Okay, so see, as I explained what is meant by alphabet, now I am going to explain, clarify what is meant by letter. So as I told you, in English language, there are 26 letters from A to Z. Okay, so letters are just symbols, letters are just signs, letters are just signals which represent the sound. Now I am explaining simultaneously what is meant by letter as well as what is meant by sound. So the function of letters is to represent different kinds of sounds in language. For example, if we take the example of the first letter of alphabet in English language, A. So when we use a letter A, the letter A represents the sound A. Okay, let us take the second letter from English alphabet, B. So when we use a letter B, so the letter B represents different sound B. So in this way, letters represent different kinds of sounds. It is possible that one letter, actually in English language, in English alphabet, I would say, in English alphabet, we have 26 letters. Okay, but these 26 letters represent 44 sounds in English language. So it means that one letter may have two different sounds. One letter may represent two different sounds in English language. For example, so let me give you a very fine example. The letter C in the word cat represents the sound k. But the same letter C in the word city represents the sound sir. Let us take one more example. The letter G in the word goat represents the sound G. But the same letter in the word J represents the sound Z. So actually my point here is that one letter may represent two different sounds. Okay. So this is the first possibility as far as the letters and sounds are concerned. The second possibility is that the same sound may be represented by different kinds of letters. For example, if we take the word shoes, so the sound sh is represented by the cluster, the combination of two letters S, H in the word shoes. Okay, the same sound is represented by different letters in the word sugar. So the sound sh is represented by
Oh, later.
yes in the word sugar. Now let us take one more example. The same sound sh is represented by double S in the passion. The same sound sh is represented by TION in a nation. The same sound sh is represented by the word sea in the word ocean, isn't it? So there are different possibilities when we study alphabet, letters and sounds. So we should keep in our mind to these two significant things. One letter may represent different kinds of sounds, and same sound may be represented by different kinds of letters as I explained in shoes, sugar, passion, nation and ocean. Okay, let us take one more example how the same sound can be represented by different kinds of letter. For example, the sound P is represented by PH in phone. The same sound is represented, the first sound is represented by a letter F in the father. The same sound P is represented by the cluster of OUGH in rough, enough. So this is how the concept of alphabet, the concept of letter and the concept of sound are studied. So I hope that you must have understood the difference between alphabet, letter and sound, and definitely this discussion will help you to understand, to comprehend what is meant by alphabet, what is meant by letter and what is meant by sound, or what is the difference between the letter and sound, how one letter represents different kinds of sound and how the similar sound, identical sound can be represented by different kinds of letters in English language.
Yes, thank you, sir. I got the whole concept of the three words alphabet, letter, and sound.
Okay, we will meet in the next session with new topic. If you will have any query or doubt as far as English language is concerned. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.